In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and style your Mailchimp email campaign for 2025. First, let's get started by navigating to the Mailchimp website where you'll click on Login to access your account. Once there, simply provide the necessary information, including your email address, password, and any additional required details to secure your login. With that done, you're ready to create a new campaign. To move forward, click on the campaign option followed by all campaigns, and then hit create. Here you'll want to choose email from the list of options presented to you. This will guide you seamlessly through the email campaign creation process. Next, let's dive into the exciting part, designing the email. Begin by selecting a template. Mailchimp offers a wide array of email templates to match any need. You can start with a basic one, or choose a pre-designed template that resonates with the theme of your campaign. Once you have your template, it's time to customize the content. Start with the header and logo. These are crucial for making a strong first impression. Position your brand's logo and a powerful header image at the top. Don't forget to incorporate your brand colors for consistency across your marketing materials. Following this, use text blocks to add the main copy for your email. Keep your text concise and easily scannable since many people tend to skim through emails. When it comes to fonts, go for ones that are easy to read and use just a couple of font types for consistency and clarity. Always ensure that your text is well spaced, which enhances readability on both mobile and desktop devices. Images also play a vital role. Make sure to use high quality images that complement your content. Mailchimp makes it easy to upload and place images within your email design. Just ensure they are optimized for quick loading so your message reaches the audience without delays. Incorporate call to action buttons such as shop now or learn more that stand out. They should be visually appealing with contrasting colors to catch the reader's attention and lead them toward intended actions. Additionally, include social media icons toward the footer, allowing your readers to connect with you on various platforms. Before finishing, it's crucial to preview your email to ensure it appears perfect on both desktop and mobile devices. Mailchimp's preview and test features make this step straightforward. Finally, set up your email subject line from name and reply to address. Write a captivating subject line that piques curiosity and prompts recipients to open the email. Use a familiar from name to ensure your email doesn't end up in the spam folder, and confirm the reply to address is correct, especially if the campaign is sent from a team or customer service. When you're satisfied with your email's design and content, you can opt to send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Simply select when you want your emails to be sent, and Mailchimp will handle the rest, ensuring delivery exactly when you've planned. And there you have it. Now you know how to design and style your Mailchimp email campaign effectively.